Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on ZTE Blade A75. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Then you have to click open and click on agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and then click allow and click consent. Then click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. And you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Netherlands. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.